So your friend will pull you, and he will never be satisfied until you do the evil things he's telling you to do. So you are as evil and bad as he is.
My name is Al Walid and I'm from high school, and I just have a specific question, and it's about like love friendship. When you're befriended with a toxic friend, when you yourself is a kind-hearted person, you're doing good deeds, but you also have a bad friend, a toxic one who's forcing you to do bad things, forcing you to join him like that. So what is the best advice to prevent the boy from doing those bad things, or prevent yourself from getting closer with the person? Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you for your questions.
Short answer or long answer?
Both.
If you're looking for a short answer, run. Simply, in Arabic, we have a proverb. It says, "As-sahib sahib." Sahib in Arabic means friend. Sahib means a verb, will pull you. So your friend will pull you, and he will never be satisfied until you do the evil things he's telling you to do. So you are as evil and bad as he is. When you accompany a mutawwi' like myself, he will not be happy until you pray in the masjid, until you become a real practicing Muslim. You will find that even when you speak to others, they give you a beer, which is haram. You say, Jazakumullahu khairan. What are you doing? So I'm sorry. I've been with the Sheikh for 1 week. Everything he says, Barakallahu fikum, Jazakallahu khair. I picked it up. So this is the short version, run. The long version is a hadith. The Prophet said, alayhi salatu wassalam, the similitude of a good companion and a bad companion is similar to the one who sells perfume and the one who blows the bellows.
What is the bellows?
The one who works with iron.
Oh,
bellows.
yeah, blacksmith.
Yeah. So the one who sells perfumes is a good companion. The Prophet says, if you go to his shop, either you'll buy perfume, so I have perfume, or he will give you a sample. So, no, give me the, no. So again, you have perfume, or you will not buy, but when you leave, wow, I smell good because of the shop. This is a good companion. He will give you a hadith. He will give you ayah. He will tell you to do good things and stay away from bad things. The bad companion is like the one who's a blacksmith, working the bellows, always with the iron, with the coal, with the fire. If you don't burn your clothes because of the sparks, when you leave the shop, when you sit with someone who smokes in the car, how do you feel? Your whole body stinks. If you go to your wife, if you had a wife, you wouldn't be. So, but if you go to your wife, she says, it's very bad. You don't smell good. So this is the saying. Don't ever have a bad friend. If you put a good apple, very beautiful, good, healthy apple in a rotten box, after 1 week, the whole box will be good. The apple will be rotten, and this is the same with you. Allahu Akbar.